Hello. Thank you so much for watching our online entrepreneurs who are making 6 or 7 figures. They are in the diaspora. They have a lot of experiences in the corporate field. You can even watch their titles by their name. Now, before I joined my online entrepreneurship, it's not just I want money, I want health, I want sustainable income as adding to my main source of revenue. But what I did is to study for 2 years, do my due diligence so that you will never be scammed. I've studied also as well. I just want to share some of the books I've been reading, studying. For example, this book. You see that book? This is another book that I read. You see that? This is another book I read as well. This is another book here that I've read. I believe you all know this book. It's very famous. These are hard books I'm showing you. This book I bought in Ghana on my vacation. Entrepreneurship. Another entrepreneurship. This book is powerful. You need to have one. This is about astrology and how to make money, to attract money as an energy. This is another book here. So you can see, I've read and read because I want to be the best entrepreneur. And if I'm sharing this with you, that means I'm in a serious business. I investigate, I do my due diligence, make sure that whatever I'm investing my time and money and effort in will yield. And this is a successful global business that is coming from Canada. It's based in Canada, and they've been doing business for more than 40 years in the online space. Now, if they can make money, you can also do so, all right? But you have to have the right knowledge, the right information, the right business tools, and the wisdom and the consciousness to overcome all those challenges of fear. Fear is blocking most of us not to move forward. And fear is the dangerous obstacle. As I always say, there's only geographical location for money. You can make any money anywhere, but you need somebody to push you up. You need a good mentor, you need a good coach that can show you the way towards success, your financial freedom. But however, it's your mindset. You need to change your mindset and take action now. Join our free webinar and we'll be able to guide you towards your financial freedom. The choice is always yours. Take advantage of our free webinar. Thank you so much. Bye for now.